Hi, and welcome to MusiQuest. I'm Jacob Zaks, the founder and CEO, and I'm down here in the bottom right-hand corner. I'll be providing the tutorials, and right now you're looking at the Getting Started page, which is what you'll see when you subscribe to MusiQuest and first log into the dashboard. This is on the left-hand nav, which is going to be your handy way to navigate. You can see there's an admin section that teachers don't have access to, and as an admin, your first responsibility is to start creating schools and adding teachers to get your organization going. So if I click here, it'll take us to the Schools tab. It'll provide some handy instructions up top. It's very simple. Just click Add School. Let's give my name First School, create it, and it shows up immediately just like that. I can go to the Admin tab here and see that my account already exists, but it isn't yet assigned to a school. If I want, I can go in here and choose First School and save it. And now I'm attached to this school. This school is going to show up here on the left-hand nav with many options: manage classes, manage students, and more. There are tutorial videos that are dedicated for all of that. So please go ahead and watch those in this series. But for now, let's say that we wanted to add another admin to this. Let's say Miss Swift. And her email is tswift@musicquest.com. We wish, right? MusiQuest.com. She's a teacher at First School. I create an admin. That's successful. And she's going to get an email inviting her to the platform and allowing her to set her own password and get going. You can always edit admins, right? Very easily. Their name, no problem. Their email if you need. You can also delete them. You'll get a warning if you do. So I'm going to cancel this because, of course, I want Miss Swift at my school. And it's pretty intuitive and straightforward. You can also add multiple schools. That's part of being an organization and having admin privileges. Let's call this one Second School. Not very creative. Not as creative as your students will be after they play with MusiQuest. We can now edit this. Or we can view this school, which will take us to this school in the left-hand nav. You can see that we can toggle back and forth between them just that easily. And now, when we want to add an admin, we'll have multiple options. Let's say Mr. Armstrong. He'd really be a great one too. Louis at MusiQuest.com. Now, when we select our school, we've got two different options here. We can actually add Louis to both schools if we want, but he's just teaching at Second School right now. So let's create him there. It'll give you that success notice. He'll get the email. And you can see that as an organizational admin, I'm on both the First School and the Second School here. So very straightforward. The final tab on your admin side is Accounts. At the outset, there's nothing here because you haven't yet created any students. That's what the next tutorial video is about. And there's sort of a detailed series that focuses on everything that happens once you have schools and admins created that will come up next and will be available to your teachers. So let us know if you have any questions. Pretty straightforward overall, and you can create as many schools and admins as you want.